12th question. The question is, find the equation of a line that cuts equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. We need to find the equation of the line which is passing through the point 2, 3 and which is making two equal parts of the intercepts. Okay. Since the line cuts equal intercepts by intercept form, what is the intercept form? X divided by A plus Y divided by B is equal to, ಇದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. This is equation number 1 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ. Since equal intercept means equal intercepts means equal intercept mean ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಹೌದಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, A, 0. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ 0, B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀನು, A is equal to B ಬರಿಬೋದಾ. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುವು, A and B, ಅವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. A and B are equal. Therefore equation 1 becomes, equation 1 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, x divided by A plus y divided by A is equal to 1. x plus y divided by A is equal to 1. Division ఇక్కడ ಬಂದಾಗ multiplication. Next x plus y is equal to A. The line is passing through ಯಾವ point, the line is passing through 2, 3. Therefore x equal to ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೀನು, 2 plus y ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 is equal to A. Therefore A is equal to ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು, 5 ಸಿಕ್ತು. Therefore the required equation of the line is, required equation of the line is ಏನಪ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದು, x plus y is equal to A ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀಯಾ, 5 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀಯಾ. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್. x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required solution. Question number 13, very important question. They may ask you for your annual examination. Find equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Okay. The line is cutting intercepts. The line is cutting intercepts. What is intercept form? We know that the intercept form by the intercept form, by the intercept form. What is intercept form? X divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Since the line is passing through the point 2, 2, yes or no, this is x, this is y. Then the sum of the intercept A and B, what are the intercepts? A and B is equal to 9. A plus B equal to 9. Sum of intercept A plus B is equal to 9. Okay. Also A plus B is equal to 9. Plus B it will become minus. A is equal to, or A ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, B ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡು, wait for a second, I will bring this one. Then B is equal to 9 minus A. Wherever B is there, put 9 minus A. Therefore equation 1 becomes, what is equation number 1? X divided by A plus y divided by B value is 9 minus A is equal to 1. Correct? Correct. Then the line is passing through, the line is passing through 2, 2, that is x, y is 2, 2. Put x value as 2, y value as 2. Therefore 2 divided by A plus 2 divided by 9 minus A is equal to 1. Yes or no? Next, cross multiply 9 minus a into 2 in bracket 9 minus a plus 2 in bracket a divided by a into 9a minus a into a square is equal to 1. 2 into 9 18 minus 2 into a 2a plus 2 into a 2a divided by 9a minus a square plus 2a minus 2a cancel. Therefore 1 divided by 9a minus a square 1 ಅಲ್ಲ 18 divided is equal to 1 divided by 1. Cross multiply ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 9a minus a square is equal to 18. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬರೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇವೆರಡು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ 9a, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 18 is equal to 0. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. 18 ಇಂಟು a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 18a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ದೆನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 18 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಬರಬೇಕು. 6 3 18 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6a ಮೈನಸ್ 3a ಪ್ಲಸ್ 18 is equal to 0. a in bracket a minus 6 minus 3 in bracket a minus 6 is equal to 0. a minus 3 is equal to 0 and a minus 6 is equal to 0. a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 6. Okay, we got a value 2. Yes or no? When case 1, what is case 1? Case 1, when a is equal to 3, b is equal to 9 minus 3, b is equal to 6. When a equal to 3, b equal to 6. Therefore equation number 1 becomes, equation 1 ಏನಿದೆ 2 divided by a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ x divided by ಇದಲ್ಲ 2 divided by equation number 1 ಇದೆ ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ x divided by a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 plus y divided by b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 6 is equal to ಏನಿದೆ 1. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 3 and 6 ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 1 3 2 2 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 2 6 6 1 6 2 into x 2x plus y as it is. Division it will become multiplication. 2x plus y is equal to 6. 2x plus y ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಂಬೋದು minus 6 is equal to 0. ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಕೇಸ್ 2. In the second case equation 1 becomes when a is equal to ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಲ 6 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಆಗಲೇ 3 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಿ. b is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 9 minus 6 ಅಂತಂದರೆ b is equal to 3. ಓಕೆ, therefore equation ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ x divided by 6 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 1. LCM is 6 1 2 x plus 2y is equal to 6 ಅಲ್ಲ is equal to 1. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಾಗ 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. x plus 2y is equal to 6. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore the equation of the line, the possibilities of equation of the line ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಇವೆರಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. the possible equations of the given line ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಇವೆರಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸರಿನಾ? this is the required solution. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 14th question, very important question. The question is find equation of the line through the point 0, 2 making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. Also find the equation of a line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Look here, there are two lines. Line number 1, L1 is passing through point 0, 2 making an angle of 2 pi by 3 with x-axis. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ let us consider L1 as the line. Correct? This line is passing through, what is the point here? The point is 0, 2. L1 is passing through the point 0 comma 2 and making an angle of theta. How much? 2 pi by 3. Since it is making an angle with x axis, correct? Therefore m is equal to tan theta. That is, slope of this line is nothing but what? Tan theta. First of all, what we need to find out? We need to find out slope of L1. Then we got slope and one point slope form, that is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. With the help of that formula, we need to find out the equation of this line. Since there is a line L2 which is parallel to L1, parallel means it is having same theta value or same m value or same tan theta value or same slope. The slope of L2 is equal to slope of L1. That means we got the slope of L2, and L2 is passing through 0 comma minus 2. So we got slope and also point. With the help of slope and point form, y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Given the line L1 is passing through point A in bracket 0 comma 2 and making an angle, making theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore slope m is equal to tan theta. Correct? M is equal to tan theta value is 2 pi by 3. This can be written as tan pi minus pi by 3. Correct? Pi minus pi by 3. This is second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. Correct? Tan pi minus pi by 3 is minus tan pi by 3. This is equal to minus tan pi by 3 value is root 3. M is equal to minus root 3. We got m value. Correct, makkale? We got slope of this line and also the point through which the line is passing. Therefore, by point slope form, what is the form here? Y minus y naught is equal to m in bracket x minus x naught. This is x naught, this is y naught, this is m value. Put the values. What we get? Y minus y naught is 2 is equal to m value minus root 3 x minus 0. Y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3 into x minus root 3 x. It will become what? Plus root 3x. Correct? Root 3 x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required solution for the equation number 1 or line number 1. Since the line L2 is what? Line L2 is parallel to L1. Line L2 is parallel to L1. Therefore slope becomes equal. That means what is the slope? M is equal to minus root 3. Since the line L2 is passing through, where?
0 comma minus 2.
Okay, the line is passing through parallel to it and it is crossing y axis at a distance of 2 units below origin. 2 unit below origin से नीचे minus ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. origin नीचे ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? minus ಒಳಗಡೆ. So we got what? We got this point below origin ಇಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ 2 point ಬರಬೇಕು 0 comma minus 2. Since the line L2 is passing through 0 comma minus 2, therefore by which form? Point slope form. Equation of the line L2 is y minus y naught is equal to m in bracket x minus x naught. Y minus, what is y naught?
Minus 2.
Okay, minus 2 is the y naught is equal to minus root 3 x is x only, minus x naught value is 0. Y minus into minus plus root 3 into x minus root 3 x minus root 3 x. It will become what? Plus root 3x. Therefore, root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line which is parallel to L1. 15th question. The question is, the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets at the point minus 2 comma 9. Find the equation of the line. There are two lines. One line is passing through the origin and another line is also there. Both the lines are meeting at the point minus 2 comma 9. Okay, the diagram is like this. This is x axis and y axis. Then this is what? Origin, that is b in bracket 0 comma 0. The line L1 is passing through origin and also meets line L2 at the point a in bracket minus 2 comma 9. First of all, we need to find out the equation of line L1. How do you find the equation of line L1? Since there are 2 points, line L1 is passing through 2 points. The line L1 is passing through the points a in bracket minus 2 comma 9 and b in bracket 0 comma 0. Okay, by 2 point form. By 2 point form. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. This is the formula. Okay, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Put the values. Y minus y1 is 9 is equal to y2 is 0 minus 9 divided by x2 is 0 minus 2 in bracket x value as it is minus x1 value. X1 value is minus 2. Y minus 9 is equal to minus 9 divided by minus into minus plus 2. Okay, then in bracket x minus into minus plus 2. Then what is the slope here? Minus 9 by 2 is the slope. You can write here, slope is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is equal to what you get? Direct minus 9 divided by 2. You can put the values and get the result. M is equal to minus 9 by 2. Then cross multiplying, you will get what? Division. It will become multiplication. 2 into y, 2y, 2y, 2 9s are 18, minus 9 into x, minus 9x, minus into plus, minus 9 2s are 18. Bring all this to the right hand left hand side. Then 9x plus 2y minus 18 plus 18 is equal to 0. These two gets cancel. 9x plus 2y is equal to 0. This is the equation for the line. Which one? L1. But what we need to find out? Equation of the line L2. Now equation of the line L2 passing through what? Passing through which point? Minus 2 comma 9. Yes or no? The line L2 is also passing through minus 2 comma 9. Passing through minus 2 comma 9, having slope. What is the slope? Minus 9 by 2 is the slope of which line? This line. But the slope of this line is, since both are perpendicular, yes or no? If two lines are perpendicular, if one line slope is m, then another line slope is minus 1 divided by m. Yes or no? If two lines are perpendicular to each other, the slope of one line is m, then the other slope is minus 1 divided by m. Having slope m is equal to minus 1 divided by m. Okay, m is equal to or m1 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು m1 is equal to minus 1 divided what is m value minus 9/2 division ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ multiplication minus minus cancel m1 is equal to 2 divided by 9 this is the slope correct this is the point slope form by point slope form. What is the formula? Y minus y naught is equal to m in bracket x minus x naught. Okay, then y minus y naught is 9 is equal to m value 2 by 9 is equal to x minus x naught is minus 2. Y minus 9 is equal to 2 in bracket 9 x minus into minus plus 2 division it will become multiplication 9 into y 9y minus 9 9s are 81 is equal to 2 into x 2x 2 2s are 4 bring all this to the right hand side you will get what 2x minus 9y plus 81 plus 4 is equal to 0 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0 this is the required solution. You can check that. 16 the question is the length L in centimeter of a copper wire or copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if L is 124.942 when C is 20 degrees Celsius and L is 125.134 centimeter when C is 110 degrees Celsius, express L in terms of C. Look here, we already know that when you give temperature to copper rod, the copper rod will increase its length. Length of the copper rod increases as you give the temperature. Temperature and the length are what? They are linear functions. Look here, they are linear function. Let us consider the degree Celsius, that is temperature along x axis and the length along y axis ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. This is the graph. Here temperature along x axis in degree Celsius and the length along y axis in centimeter. Let us take temperature along x axis, length along y axis. Since the length L and the temperature C are in linear functions passing through the points. What are the points here? 20 comma 124 point chiller. Correct. This is 20 comma 124 point. What is chiller? 942. Next is 110 comma 125 point chiller. Okay, 120 point. This is 125 point chiller. Okay, 110 comma 125.134. Yes or no? The equation of the line is passing through these 2 points. Correct. Let us take one line passing through these 2 points. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the relation between the length and the temperature. Okay, for that they have given 2 points. We need to find the equation of the line. Therefore equation of the line is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Correct. Put the values. Okay, y minus, what is y1? 124.942. Then y2 is 125.134 minus y1 124.942 whole divided by x2 is 110 minus x1 value 20 in bracket x minus. ಈಗ y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು y axis ಗೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. what I took from along y axis L. Yes or no? L. Along x axis C. Correct. X axis C minus x1. What is x1 value?
20.
x1 value is 20. x1 value is 20. Correct? Okay. Then L minus 124.942 is equal to, ಇದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆದು 90 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 4 9, carry 1 10, 1 carry 1 0. Okay, 0.192 into C minus 20. Next comes what? Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction ಇವೇ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಮಾಡೋಣ. L minus 124.942 is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲೋ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2ಲೇ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 245 2 9 18, 2 6 12. ಹಾಂ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ, 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ನಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡು. 3 15 3 3 3 2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? 0.032 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 15. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 20. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 0.032 ಯಾಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0.032 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ನಾನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, L ಮೈನಸ್ 124.942 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತ. ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? 15 2 30. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ ಬಳಿಕ 30 ಆದ ಬಳಿಕ 2 ಉಳಿತು. ಬಿಡು ಸಾಕು, ಇಷ್ಟೇ. 0.002 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 0.002 ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 20. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. L ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.002 ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 20 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 124.942. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 192
divided by 90.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ 192 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 90 ಮುಂದೆ
C minus 20 plus 124.942.
ಅದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 192 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 90 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 0.192 ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡೋದು, 0.192 ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು. 0.192 ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಇದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ. ಇದೇನು ಬೇಡ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡಿ. Question number 18, very important question. They may ask you for your annual examination for 5 marks. The question is, P in bracket A comma B is the midpoint of a line segment between axes. Midpoint of a line segment. There is a line segment between the axes. Axis means X and Y, both the axes. There is a line segment, not a line. There is a line segment. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಲೈನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ತೆಗಿರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ and P is the midpoint of both the lines. Show that x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 2. Given the point P in bracket A comma B is the midpoint of line segment having points. What are the points of line segment? Having points A in bracket 0 comma y and B in bracket x comma 0. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Therefore midpoint of AB is equal to P. Midpoint of AB is equal to what? P in bracket A comma B. Midpoint of AB is P in bracket A comma B. So midpoint of AB formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is equal to p in bracket a comma b. Okay, then x1 x2, which is x1, this is x1 y1 x2 y2, correct? Okay, x1 plus x2, 0 plus x, 0 plus x divided by 2 comma y1 is y plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to p in bracket a comma b. X divided by 2 comma y divided by 2 is equal to p in bracket a comma b. Therefore what we got here, therefore a is equal to x divided by 2 and b is equal to y divided by 2. Division will become multiplication, division will become multiplication. Therefore x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 2b. Therefore the points becomes, what are the points here? A in bracket, b in bracket. Okay, the points becomes a in bracket. Now what is a value? 0 comma b, sorry y is nothing but what? 2b and b in bracket x value, x is 2a in bracket 0. Therefore equation of line segment passing through a and b is, they have given 2 points, x1 y1 x2 y2. Therefore 2 point form, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value is 2b is equal to y2 value 0 minus 2b divided by x2 value 2a minus 0. X minus, what is x1 value? 0. Then y minus 2b is equal to minus 2b divided by 2a in bracket x, correct? Then what you get here? 2 to cancel. Y minus 2b is equal to minus b divided by a into x. Division will become multiplication. Y into a, ay minus 2ab is equal to minus b into x minus bx. Bring this to left side, this to right side. A bx minus bx is equal to plus bx plus ay is equal to 2ab. Divide throughout by ab. ab ले divide ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ? bx divided by ab plus ay divided by ab is equal to 2ab divided by ab. ab cancel, aa cancel, bb cancel. Therefore x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 2. Correct? Hence proved or hence solved. 17th question. The question is, the owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at the rate of 14 rupees per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at the rate of 16 rupees per liter. Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he ನೋಡಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅವಾಜ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ? ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂದ್ರಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೀದಾ ಹೊರಗೆ ಕುಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕುಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲೆ ಕುಂದ್ರಿ. ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 17th question. The question is, the owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at the rate of 14 rupees per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at the rate of 16 rupees per liter. That means as the demand increases, the cost of the price also increases. Since the demand is 980 liters, then the cost is 14 rupees per liter. The demand increases from 980 liters to the 1220 liters. That means the cost per liter is also increasing. That means demand increases, cost increases, meaning linear relationship between the demand and the cost of the milk per liter. Assuming a linear relationship, linear means lining, okay, linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 rupees per liter? Okay, this is the question. Now ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್, we need to take given the owner can sell 980 liters of milk per each week 980 liters of milk each week at the rate of 14 rupees per liter, and also 1220 liters of milk each week at the rate of 16 rupees per liter. The relationship is, what is the relationship here? Linear relationship. The relationship between selling price and the demand is linear. So let us take the selling price along x axis and demand along y axis. ನಾವೇನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 14 ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ ಲೀಟರ್ 14 rupees per ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು 980 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 16 rupees per ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ 1220 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬೈ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ 2 points. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ 2 points here? 14,980 and 16,1220. The line is passing through these 2 points. Yes or no? We got 2 points. What are the 2 points here? 2 points. One is 14,980 and B in bracket 16,1220. Therefore, equation of the line, equation of the line passing through 2 points. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 x minus x1. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Y minus, what is y1 value? 980 is equal to y2 value 1220 minus 980 divided by x2 value 16 minus 14, x minus 14. Yes or no? Okay, then y minus 980 is equal to 1220 minus 980, 240 divided by 2 in bracket x minus 14, 2 ones are 2 12s are 24, 1 0 is there, 0, 120. Okay, then y minus 980 is equal to 120 in bracket x minus 14. Then since we need to convert this into the relation, so you need to multiply here. Y minus 980 is equal to 120 into x, 120x minus 14 zeros are 0, 14 twos are 28, 14 ones are 14 plus 2 16. Bring numbers one side and the x and y variables one side. Okay, I will bring this to the ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಲಕ್ಕದ ಇದನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಪ್ಪ, y is equal to 120x minus 1680 plus 980. y is equal to 120x minus 1 ಇದು ನೋಡಪ್ಪ 680 ಇದೆ 980 ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 700 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 700 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, here x is nothing but what? Rate of milk. Okay, they are asking at x is equal to 17 rupees per liter, then what is the value of y equal to question mark. Y is equal to 120 in bracket 17 minus 700. Y is equal to 17 zeros are 0, 17 twos are 34, 17 ones are 17 plus 3 20 minus 700. What is the answer here? Y is equal to 1340 liters. This is the demand. 19th question. important question. The question is point R in bracket h comma k divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio of 1:2. Find the equation of the line. Look here, a line is making, or okay, this is intercept. Yes or no? They have given A and B. These are the two intercepting points. A is nothing but what? 0 comma y. B is nothing but what? X comma 0. There is a point on the line. What is the point? R in bracket h comma k, which is making an angle, sorry, which is bisecting it into or intersecting into what? Two parts. M is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Here ratio is equal to m is to n is equal to 2:1. Correct? 1:2, 2:1 ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1:2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 2:1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ. 1:2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಬೇಡ. 1:2ನೇ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಕೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದು ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಎಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಎನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಮ್ ಎನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Point R in bracket h comma k. Correct? We need to find equation of the line. Equation of the line passing through points. What are the points passing through? 0 comma y and x comma 0. Then we need to find x and y values. X and y values by section formula. What is the section formula? R in bracket h comma k is equal to m x1 plus n x2 divided by m plus n comma m. Okay, m1 x2 plus m2 x1. m x2 okay, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 10th ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು 2 the this one is 1. Okay, m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x comma y. Correct? Okay, then R in bracket h comma k is equal to, what is m value? 1 in bracket x2 value 0 plus n 2, x1 value x divided by 1 plus 2. Next m value 1, y2 value y plus n value 2, y1 value 0 divided by 1 plus 2. R in bracket h comma k is equal to 0 plus 2x divided by 3. Then y plus 0, y divided by 3. Therefore, what is h here? H is equal to 2x by 3 and k is equal to y divided by 3. Okay, division it will become multiplication. 3h is equal to 2x. 3h divided by 2 is equal to x. We got x value, and division 3 will become multiplication 3. 3k is equal to y. We got x and y values. Therefore equation of the line passing through, equation of a line passing through, ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳದಲ್ರಿ, passing through, there are 2 points. What are the points here? One, the first in ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದು x, 0 ಅದ. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? 3h divided by 2, 3h ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 0 ಇದು ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ 0 y ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3k. Equation of a line passing through 2 points. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 x minus x1. This is the formula. Y as it is y1, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, y1 is 0 is equal to y2 value 3k minus y1 value 0 divided by x2 value 0 minus x1 value 3h divided by 2. Okay, into x value as it is minus x1 value 3h divided by 2. Then y minus 0 is y. This is equal to 3k divided by minus 3h divided by 2. Division multiplication. X minus 3h divided by 2. Okay, next y is equal to 3 cancel, division multiplication, minus 2k divided by h into multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದದು 2x minus 3h divided by 2. Then 2 cancel, y is equal to minus k divided by h into 2x minus 3h. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. y is equal to minus 2x into k, 2kx divided by h minus ಇದು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡೋಣಂತ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3h into k, hk divided by h ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನದು ನೋಡು. 2kh plus y is equal to ಏನೇನು ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿಲಿ, 2kh plus 2kx ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮುಂದೇನು h y is equal to ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡೀಗ ನೋಡು ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿನಗೀಗ. y is equal to ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಹೇಳು, ಮೈನಸ್ 2kx ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ h. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸರಿ ಏನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನು 3k. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, y ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2kx ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ h ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3k. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 3k. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 3k h ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಿರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಏನು ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, 3k h ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. y ಇಂಟು h yh ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2kx ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಂಬ 3kh. ನೀ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ನೀ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ತಾನೇ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. Last question, 20th question. The question is, by using the concept of equation of a line, prove that the 3 points 3, 0, minus 2, minus 2, 8, 2 are collinear. So we need to use equation of a line. That means let us consider two points, and with the help of 2-point form you need to find out equation of a line. In that equation put these values, you will get LHS equal to RHS. Then the 3 points are collinear. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣಂತೆ. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 2-point ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 3rd ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, LHS equal to RHS ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ 2 points, what is the formula? y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, then y minus, what is y1 value? 0 is equal to y2 value is minus 2 minus y1 value 0 divided by x2 value is minus 2 minus 3 x minus x1 value is 3. Then y minus 0 is y is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 5 in bracket x minus 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 cancel. Then division 5, it will become multiple. Okay, 5y is equal to 2 into x, 2x minus 6, 2x minus 6. Okay, I will bring this to the left hand side, this to the right hand side. What happens aವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ? 2x as it is ಉಳಿತದೆ plus 5y it will become minus 5y. It will become what? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ minus ಇದೆ equal to 6. Correct? Next, this is equation number 1. By putting third point, what is the third point? C in bracket 8 comma 2 in equation number 1 ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? 2 in bracket x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನಾನು? 8 minus 5 in bracket 2 is equal to 2 8s are 16, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 16 minus 10 is 6 is equal to 6. LHS equal to RHS. That means the third point lies on same line. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಲೈನನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ LHS equal to RHS. Therefore A B C R, A comma B comma C are collinear ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. This completes the exercise 10.2. Then we will be moving on to